a new justice member.
The 5th justice member is here.
The 5th justice member. We're all together. Oh my God. Oh my God.
There's only...
No, Ginny, you loud enough. It's okay.
There's only 2 mics in the room, so I have to talk louder so that people can hear me.
Thank you. Gigi, louder!
Bogo's Binted! Yay!
So, Kronii, how does it feel?
I love being here. What an honor.
You love being a
I love being a just chat.
A filthy little... No.
A filthy little just chat.
Good.
Konnichiwa. Choo choo.
I'm scared.
Choo choo choo. I'm trying to get me choo choo choo. I'm trying to get a kiss.
That's harassment.
That's sexual harassment.
To who? You're kissing me.
Ew.
Konnichiwa. Why are you looking at me? Why am I just staring in a corner? What? What's wrong with you? Anything else? I have any other words?
Bogo's Binted. That sounds
Anything
like
else?
No, that's it.
All of my stock phrases have been said.
We need to say yummy women.
Oh! Am I you?
Yeah, you are.
We are together again.
Oh, no.
Wow, you fit in so well with us, with our like look at all the colours.
We need a blue member.
I never noticed the little, like, chain thingy she has.
Oh.
Just your headband's in the way. I can't. Oh. Tony moved her headband so I could scratch her head.
No, I thought you said there was something on my hair.
Oh yeah, your headband.
Oh.
Are you head patting Kronii?
Yes.
I've been scammed.
You didn't want it?
What a con artist.
You were
Illegal.
tricked. You were tricked.
Ah! Ooh, lobotomy.
She's gonna steal your
I like the way
kidney
it
next.
feels.
Yeah, careful, Kronii. She'll steal your kidney.
Oh, good. Yeah, I have 2.
I'll steal your heart though.
Whoa!
Oh.
Got him.
That
was good.
Yeah.
Got him.
How much can we get for this? So small.
It's okay. Hide behind us. It's fine. Don't worry.
Thank
Why are you so far from us?
I'm just shy.
She hates us.
She's 10 feet away from us, watching from the back.
Understandable.